Facing the IPv6 Connectivity No network access error in Windows 11, here are 4 quick fixes to solve it. Pressing Windows key and the R key will open the Run window. In the Run window, type CMD and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys together to open the command prompt in administrative mode. In Command Prompt window, copy and paste all of these commands one by one, and then hit Enter after each of the commands to execute them sequentially on your computer. Once done, reboot your computer to save the changes. Pressing Windows key with the R key will pop up a Run terminal. Then type ncpa cpl and click on OK. Now right-click on the network adapter you are using and then click on Properties. In the Wi-Fi Properties window, uncheck the option Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. Then click on OK. Restart your computer to save the changes. At first, press Windows key and the X, and then click on the Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters Driver section from the list. Then, right-click on your network driver you are using and choose Uninstall Device. Now, click on Action and then select Scan for hardware changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.